Hi there. Yeah. What do you see? You see the pretty Christmas tree? Where are you going? Where are you going? You better watch where you're going. You're going to run into something. Where are you going, kiddo? Oh, is that your new sippy cup? Is that your new sippy cup? Mmm. Mmm. The Christmas tree? The Christmas tree? Is it a pretty Christmas tree? Yeah. The Christmas tree. It's so pretty. Yeah, and the pretty packages. Whoops. Where are you going? So pretty. So pretty. Caitlin, can you say bye-bye? Caitlin, can you say bye-bye? Oh, that's a big sippy cup, isn't it? That's a big sippy cup. I know. I know. Okay. Can you tell everyone bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Christmas tree. You gonna water the Christmas tree with your sippy cup? Mm-hmm. How pretty. How pretty. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. That's right.